absolutely love the color of this hair. It's gorgeous. Hey guys, it's Queenteshna and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a simple half up half down style using crochet braids, and the style has actually been requested quite a lot because I did it in a previous video probably a year ago now. I'll leave the link here so you can go back and watch it. I'm going to do a similar style to it but not quite the exact same, so let me just jump straight into it. The hair that I'm using is I'm going to be using the impression hair to braid. I'm also going to be using the 12 Ombre Mambo twist. I don't even know what brand this is. This is AFTRESS. Basically, I got this hair on sale for £1. Girl, this hair was like £1, seriously. Anyway, so yeah, let's just get straight into it. My hair. Alright, so I'm just gonna part my hair in two. So I'm gonna part it from here. So we're gonna do like a nice little parting. So I've done less at the front and more at the back, so I'm going to start off by just braiding the back quickly. So I've cut this hair into two, and look how long this hair is, oh my god. So I'm going to put away one section and I'm going to cut this hair into equal sections again. So I'm just going to pull the hair just so I can get it to be tapered at the ends, which you've seen this already in probably my previous video. Okay, so finally finished the back section. Now I'm going to move on to the front bit, and I'm actually going to just do feeding braids at the front. One straight down the middle. Okay, so I'm going to do the first braid, and to make sure it's a little bit neat I'm going to be using my Lotta Body edge control just to try and fix the frizz. Hey guys, I'm back. Yes, it is the next day because I didn't finish my hair off yesterday because I was just too tired. I couldn't be bothered. So I'm coming back today to finish off the rest. So yeah, let's just get started. To be honest, this hairstyle really doesn't take that long. It can take just a few hours, or if you're quick, maybe like an hour and a half to 2 hours. but I kept on stopping in between. I had dinner, I had lunch, I was talking to my sister. Yeah, I was doing so much stuff, so it just took a bit longer than it should have. So these bits, oh, this is a bit crinkly. Oh. So what I did, I sewed up the back section. It's not the best job, but it's sewed up. So I'm going to just add the crochet now. It's gorgeous. Absolutely love the colour. Okay, so this is pretty much just one pack of hair right here. So I'm going to try and space out the rest just to kind of make sure I don't use too much hair or it's not too like big. Okay, so I finished adding a lot to the back. You can see it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to unravel them. And I'm going to play around with it, so if it looks a bit empty in one spot, I'll add more or I'll just take away. Oh, and by the way, for the top sections I did like the invisible method, you know, the one where you just tie it in knots. Okay, so this is it. So the rest of the hair that's left over, I'm just going to attach it to my hairband. You guys have seen me do this already. I've just kind of unraveled. You would have seen me do this in plenty of my old videos if you watch my videos, my ponytail tutorials. Alright, so moving on to the top section. Okay, so I've added the beads and I just went with some colourful beads because, you know, spring, summer. I'm going to fix up my edges. So guys, this is the final look. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm loving the colour of this hair. So I just used 3 packs of hair, so I used 2 1/4 for the back, and then I just used the rest that's left over on the top. So, and the beads are actually from Tiger store in London. You might be familiar, that's where they're from, but you would have seen these beads before on my Instagram or, you know, in my previous videos or stuff like that. But guys, I know this video was highly requested ages ago and I'm finally just getting around to doing it now. So I did hope you enjoy it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, so I really appreciate it if you can keep up with my weekly videos. And yeah, don't forget to, guys, please subscribe to my newsletter. I'm trying to send out news feeds on hairstyles and like hair information, just lots of tips. So I'll leave my newsletter below so you can subscribe, and I'll be doing like giveaways on there as well, so stay tuned for that. As usual, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.